In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with Pinterest. If you're looking to expand your e-commerce reach and tap into Pinterest's huge audience, this integration is a perfect step. We'll walk through it together, and by the end, you'll have everything set up and ready to go. Starting off, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin. This is where all the magic happens, as the admin panel is your hub for everything related to your online store. Within this space, look for the section labeled Sales Channels on the left-hand side of your dashboard. This is where you can manage the various platforms that are linked to your Shopify store, allowing for seamless interactions across different online spaces. Once you've located the Sales Channels section, go ahead and click on the plus button. This is essentially your gateway to adding new platforms where your products can be showcased. By clicking this, you'll be prompted with a list of available sales channels you can integrate with your Shopify store. It's always a good idea to explore and familiarize yourself with these different options, as they might provide additional opportunities for your business. Next, type Pinterest into the search bar that's displayed. As you do so, you should see Pinterest appear as an option. It's important to ensure that you're choosing the official Pinterest application to ensure that everything remains secure and functions smoothly. Once you've identified it, click the Add button. This step will initiate the process of connecting Pinterest as a sales channel to your Shopify store. Now, you will be guided to follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. This part is really about following the prompts carefully. Shopify and Pinterest have streamlined this process, so the instructions are typically straightforward and easy to follow. Still, be sure to take your time to read through each prompt to avoid any potential mishaps. As you go through this, you'll need to connect the app to your Pinterest business account. If you don't already have a Pinterest business account, you'll need to set one up. It's quick and only requires some basic information about your business. Once your Pinterest business account is ready, you can link it to your Shopify store. Again, ensure you're following each step as outlined in the instructions during this part of the process. The integration is designed to be intuitive, helping to automate posting your Shopify products directly to your Pinterest account, where you can engage with a wider audience and potential customers. And that's all there is to it. With your Shopify and Pinterest accounts now connected, you're set to start sharing your products with an incredibly visual and engaged online community. This integration not only allows you to reach new customers, but also provides an excellent platform to creatively market your products. So, enjoy exploring these opportunities and watch how your online presence can grow. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!